Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing you along for some cleaning motivation. This is going to be a get it all done video, so definitely get up and check your to-do list and see if you can get some cleaning done while you have this video playing in the background. I'm going to be doing a little bit of everything and even bringing you along to share some summer popsicles. So now that the dishes are done, I am moving on and I'm making some smoothies and some popsicles for the summer season. We love to do this throughout the summer, even throughout the year. This is super good, super healthy. I love to make healthy popsicles for my kiddos. Some of my kids are not super great with vegetables, and some of them don't like the textures of fruit, but they're fine with them in a smoothie. So this is a great way to get those fruits and veggies in for all of my kids, and it keeps us cool throughout the summer heat. And it is a fun treat, and they're totally fine that they're healthy. They like them, and it also saves us money instead of getting different popsicles or treats throughout the summer. Every once in a while, we will get like an ice cream, or we got ice cream sandwiches this summer just for the kids to have that experience. And they're really fun, but we are able to make smoothies and popsicles with the Ninja blender. I love this. It gives us so much in one go. I have the Magic Bullet, and for our family, we're a family of 6, but my husband typically doesn't have the smoothies with us because he's at work. But for the 5 of us, the Magic Bullet wasn't enough. So getting the Ninja blender was definitely a great idea because we have enough for smoothies and enough for one set of popsicles that last about a week, and then we can do it again. So I just do like milk and fruits and vegetables, and then I sneak in some spinach. What are your go-to, and yogurt, what are your go-to recipes for popsicles? Definitely would like to know. I would love to add in some orange juice, like freshly squeezed from the oranges, but I have not done that yet. Let me know your smoothie lists down below, or your popsicles. If you make homemade popsicles, let me know your recipes down below. I am definitely looking for more healthy popsicle smoothie options. So here they are in the freezer getting ready, and they will be ready the next day, which will be so exciting. So now I'm moving on into my bathroom / laundry room and switching the clothes from the washing machine up to the dryer, and then I will get that ready and just clean up a little bit in here. It gets pretty busy in our bathroom. Like, it's really big, but because there's the laundry in there as well, it can get pretty crowded if we have some laundry baskets that haven't been put away yet. On this particular day, I was pretty caught up on doing the laundry, but I believe I had to put it away still. I had moved my laundry baskets out into the hallway that had not gone away into the rooms yet, so that I can go ahead and sweep. My 2 older kids, my 2 older boys, they put away their laundry when I've sorted it into the laundry baskets. Thankfully, they can put it away. And my 2 littles, every once in a while, will help put the stuff away, but sometimes it's just easier if I put it away and I can get it done faster. So now the washing machine and dryer are on, and I am just sweeping up the bathroom. And then I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the counters and the mirrors. Just give it a quick wipe down. Not a super deep clean today, but just getting it looking nicer. Like, when we don't have the laundry baskets on the floor and it's been swept, it just feels so much nicer in there and more spacious. So now I'm just wiping down the counter and getting some of the dust off of the little lamp here. I put this out at Easter and my kids loved it so much. I have just left it here. And then we do have a dehumidifier that is actually broken in here, but we just use it as a light, especially at night. It is so nice to have the different colors on, and it adds funness to the bathroom. And yeah, just wiping everything down. There was a few recycling bits and pieces that needed to go into the kitchen recycling area, and then I'm just going to wipe down the mirror. I just used a microfiber and water for this because I have Windex, but it is in my kitchen and I did not want to go grab it for a quick clean. And this totally worked. So getting all of the things done. So once I finish cleaning the mirror, that is going to finish up today's quick get it all done video. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I would love to have you join me here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.